Right, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to smash like, subscribe, ring the bell, usual stuff. Right, this is what we're going to do, which you probably gathered from the name of the video, is we're going to adjust this belt. Now, it's not massively loose, but it is a bit too loose, and when you turn the air conditioning on, it sounds like there's a body trapped on the bonnet. Now, first thing to do is, see, that's your adjuster, is I'd say spray some WD-40 on it. Now, I ain't got WD-40 with me because I'm ill-equipped, but I have got a dipstick, so I'm going to put some oil off my dipstick. I'll get more than that on it in a minute, but you get the picture. So I'll do that, and then we need a 14mm, I think it is, for that bolt, and then a 12mm for the one. If you follow this down with your finger, it comes to another bolt which holds the bracket on for the adjuster, which needs just loosening off. So let's oil that up and get the two. Not the easiest to see, but the 12mm is basically on a bracket that is just above where the thread runs in. So that's the first thing that we're going to loosen off. I'll try to. That's pretty tight, that. And then the next step is to always just to pick your ratchet up. Yeah. Right, so now slacken that one off slightly. The next one is the bolt which runs, hold on, see if I can get that to focus. Right, it runs through the top of the alternator and pivots on it. And that's a 14, so we'll crack that off as well. That's pretty tight, that. This hasn't been off for a bit. Right, I'll crack that off, it's just undoing it all. But we need two hands, so we'll do that. Right, I just might add this now that this one, for some reason, is concerningly tight. So I've got an extension bar with the socket over the handle and the ratchet. So let's film it snap together. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that was fucking tight, that. Right, so now we've slackened them off, and then we go back to a 12mm and place it on this bolt lovingly, which, as you can see, I've got a bit of oil on. Now, I think it's clockwise to tighten it, looking at the way the mechanism works. It looks like this stays still and the bottom one pulls out as we go, so let's see. So that's ridiculous tight, but a bit too tight. Not done anything yet, not a whole lot. And that's tightening up a bit. Right, so now there's not as much movement in there. You can see inside my arm. There's not as much movement there now. And that's more like what it should be. You should just be able to turn it better. Quarter of a turn. And then the rest is a bit self-explanatory, but we tighten these bolts back up. This is the 12mm, which is next to the adjuster. Now, usually when people do alternators on these, they take the bumper off. It is probably the easier way to do it, but you can do it without taking the bumper off. Get down through that all there. That's it. This one's an aircon, I've not done one on that one with aircon, so it might not. So we'll get our 14. exciting riveting stuff this, so I've left the camera rolling. And then tighten it up. And then now, we'll see how it sounds. Air conditioning tins is on. There's only really doing it from tick over to when you first flip the throttle, and then it's not. Happy days. Another thing, you don't want to go too tight because, well, you've got bearings in the water pump and everything that it goes around, and you don't want to screw that up because that'll leave you in a bad situation. And I mean, look, they should just have an automatic tensioner like most cars, but it's cheap and cheerful motoring, isn't it? And if you notice this here, I mean, people have probably been noticing this from the start. This is from when I polish the headlights, and I might do something about that, you know. Looks pretty shit, doesn't it? So I think I might wipe that off as well. So as you can see, it's just not wiping off very easy. So we've got a bit of soapy water, as it is water based. So this is a Pro engine detailing. There we go, look, straight off. Yeah, so it's not covered in polish and it's not squeaking, so that's a job well done. Could do with a bit of WD-40 to do a proper detailing job, you know, professional like. Instead of that, we'll do a foot tap on it.